Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Daily Ways Tips. On Daily Way Tips, we show you how to keep or manage your finances intact. Now without wasting time, let's get into it. Real quick. You don't need a bank to start saving money. Here are 10 practical ways, counting down from number 10 to number 1, that anyone can do right now. 10. Cook at home. More often. Eating out every day is a wallet drainer. Preparing your meals at home not only saves money, but also helps you eat healthier. Even cooking just 3 extra meals per week can make a difference. 9. Cancel unused subscriptions. Streaming services, unused apps, random monthly charges. Go through your subscriptions and cancel what you don't really use. 8. Buy in bulk, but smartly. Non-perishable items like rice, pasta, or toilet paper are often cheaper when bought in bulk. Just don't stock up on things you'll never use. 7. Repair instead of replace a torn shirt. Fix it, a broken chair, glue it. Many things can be repaired at home instead of throwing money on new ones. 6. Shop with a list. Impulse buying is a silent money killer. Always shop with a list and stick to it, whether it's groceries or online shopping. 5. Use free entertainment. Instead of paying for expensive outings, look for free or cheap entertainment. Parks, community events, free online courses, or even your local library. 4. Set spending limits. Give yourself a weekly or monthly cash limit for personal spending. When you see the cash running low, it's easier to control your habits. 3. Sell what you don't need. Old clothes, unused electronics, or furniture sitting in the corner. Sell them online or at a local market. Turn clutter into cash. 2. Switch to energy-saving habits. Turn off lights when not in use. Unplug devices and switch to energy-efficient bulbs. Small changes in electricity use add up fast. 1. Pay yourself first, but at home. Whenever you get money, set aside a small portion in a safe place at home, an envelope, a jar, or a personal wallet. It's simple and doesn't require a bank. Saving money doesn't start at the bank. It starts with your choices. Try these 10 steps and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.